How to connect your dz09 smartwatch to a Samsung phone using the Bluetooth settings, and let's get started. So before doing anything with your Samsung phone, you want to first make sure you enable the Bluetooth settings on your dz09 smartwatch. So if you have the later model here with the slightly updated software, you're going to press down on this button here. That's going to take you to the clock face here, and long press. That'll take you here. When you're in the menu section now, you want to tap where the menu option is, main menu, and you'll see these tiles, or shall I say toggles, up here. You're going to swipe over until you see the one that says BT phone, that right there. This here now, you're going to tap on it once, and you want to select right here to activate, or press activate down here. So press activate, and you'll see it's turned on now. That enables the Bluetooth settings of your dz09 smartwatch. Then you want to select where it says the pair devices here. And when you go here, you'll see add new device if there is no new device. So you can tap here or tap on add. And when you do that, it's going to start searching for nearby devices. While it's doing that, you'll now head over to your Samsung phone and you'll bring down the quick panel access. Look for the Bluetooth toggle. You'll long press it like that. And I would recommend going to details so you can get a better view of what's going on here. And then when you do that, it's going to turn it on and it's going to start searching for nearby devices. You are going to see plenty of items show up here. So to play this kind of safe here, let me just kind of bring this down so you can see. Okay. So what you're going to do now is on your watch itself, you'll look for the name of your phone and you'll tap on that. And you'll get that prompt there here on your screen, okay? If that doesn't work, you'll press pair. When you select it, press pair. It'll say, please wait. You'll get the confirmation request here. Just make sure it's matching the one on the watch itself too, so you can kind of scroll up there and press pair. If you accidentally press pair, it's fine. And you can choose to allow your contacts if you want, or deny. You can allow it later. But it'll tell you it's connected, and it'll say allow this device to connect automatically. You want to go with OK, all right? So just press OK. Just tap away like that here. Make sure it's connected, okay? And you'll know it's connected where that Bluetooth icon is on your watch itself. And for here now, back in the Bluetooth settings of your Samsung phone, you'll tap on the settings icon here. And you want to see the part that says calls and audio. If you wanted to sync with your contacts, you'll just simply turn this on. I don't want to do that with that watch, but you would if you are doing that, okay? And that would be it, how to do this, okay? And as long as you don't remove the Bluetooth name from the watch or unpair it from your Samsung phone, it will reconnect once you turn on your dz09 smartwatch, okay? So if this guide helped you out in any way, please do hit that like and subscribe.